everyone, Catalina, interpreter coach here. Can you believe that we are in the middle of summer already? I know. You may be thinking, it's already August. Or maybe you're thinking, oh my God, I have been so busy, I don't know where the time went. You are not alone. And as interpreters, we are experts that are always helping people to communicate. But how often do we create a space to listen to ourselves? That's exactly why I'm inviting you to a 2-hour workshop. This is going to be a mid-year, midlife review for interpreters. Now, before you think that I am not in midlife, I want you to know this. What I mean with this is the following. To me, a midlife review simply means taking a meaningful pause and a deep breath in the middle of the season. Taking a pause in the middle of the season to understand where you have been, to understand and appreciate how far you have come, and intentionally choose where you are going next. Because if we never stop to reflect, we can spend months, or we can spend even years working very hard without ever knowing if what we are doing is aligning with the career and the life we want for us. During this interactive workshop, we'll slow down together, as a community, as a group. And we are going to we're going to step away from daily assignments, emails, CUs, deadlines, and give ourselves permission to think, not just about our interpreting career, but about our whole life. Everything is connected. How is that landing for you? Yeah. So by the end of our time together, you're going to walk away with 3 very practical outcomes. So here's my offer. Here's my offer for you. Number 1, you're going to gain clarity about where you are right now. In your work, in your relationships, in your personal life, in your dreams, in your projects. Instead of carrying around vague feelings of being overwhelmed or behind, you're going to identify what's actually working, what deserves celebrating. We do not celebrate enough, people. And what may need your attention. Sometimes clarity alone changes everything. Number 2, you'll identify the few priorities that matter most during the rest of the year. We still have September, October, November, December. Make them count. A lot of people kind of drop the ball because, it's the end of the year. That is not a good perspective. There is plenty of time to do amazing things, and you can get them done. I promise. We're not going to have 20 goals. No, we're going to have a long, overwhelming to-do list. Just the next important steps that will move your career and your life forward with intention. And intention means laser focus, right? Bringing everything into the 1 or 2 things that you want to see blooming and happening for you. That's how we make things happen. not being a scattered mind, not having 100 things going on, but laser focusing. That's what I mean with intention. And this laser focusing is guided by your heart, the strong desire of your heart. There's nothing as powerful as that. And number 3, you're going to live with a personalized action plan that feels realistic and energizing. Now, it's not just about goals, and it's not just about planning or even creating a spreadsheet. It is most about envisioning, having a vision of what really feels good for you, what really feels doable for you. That's the perspective. We're going to have this plan. It's going to be a plan that honors your professional goals, of course, but most importantly, it's guided by protecting your time, your energy, and your well-being. That sounds fantastic to me. So I want you to know that success is not about doing more. And if you've been adding more and more and more to your projects, to your plans, and you're feeling now overwhelmed or behind, it is normal, because you are doing it the other way. So I'm going to show you another way in which doing more is not the priority. It's about doing what matters most to you. This workshop is designed to be reflective, practical, and interactive, and you have guided exercises, coaching questions from me, time for personal reflection, and opportunities to learn alongside other interpreters who are also committed to building meaningful and sustainable careers. All of us together as a community, with that beautiful interpreting energy that we all have. So you can join online. I'm still working the details to see if we can have an in-person session at the same time. I will be talking about that more in upcoming videos and posts, but the registration to participate online is open. So check the link and see if you can make a space and time for you and what matters to you. If you've been feeling busy, stuck, uncertain, or simply you are ready for a fresh perspective, this is it. This is where you get it. And I would like for you to join me. Sometimes the most productive thing that you can do is to pause. Because a thoughtful pause today can completely change the direction of the months ahead. I promise. I hope you'll join me for this mid-year, midlife review for interpreters. I can't wait to see what is going to come up in these 2 hours with you. See you there soon.